So this last one, we're gonna do one more explosion, but we're gonna put a bunch of ping pong balls in the way.
Oh, I know how this goes.
Chat knows what's coming.
Chat, I know
Chat knows what's coming.
Pull up.
Kai, probably let's have everyone over here for visual.
Okay.
I think, and we'll blow it up that way. This is a good one.
Three GGs.
Mafia-thon 2, how many days left?
4 more days.
Wow.
Technically 3 more. This is the 4th.
That's insane.
Yeah. W Mafia-thon, bro.
W Mafia-thon.
Oh, it's gonna be crazy. This gonna be fire.
Yeah.
Yeah, what do you fucking do?
Yo, let's have it. Oh my gosh.
Everybody glasses and you want your earplugs in for this one.
Yeah, this one's loud.
Wait, I need earplugs.
Yo, right here, Kyle. Look, Kyle.
Whoa, what is this?
I'm gonna just hold my fingers here. Okay, Bob.
Okay, where your earplugs at?
Jordan, get in
where's
there.
our container, Bob?
My jams already dirty.
Show them the, what's in there?
Gotta get a bottle and a funnel.
David.
Brandon, we got a bottle of funnel?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Good?
This one, I think this one might be my favorite. Yo. That's icy.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
How you did that?
Okay. Yeah, I just poured some out. Okay, you guys ready? Oh yeah, I gotta pour this in.
Get back, bitch. Get back, bitch. Get back.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
5. Oh, you gonna count down? Yo, watch out, I'm coming out.
Okay.
Gotta be careful, dead ass.
We chilling.
Yeah, we just chill. Again, this is gonna be real boring until it's not.
Here we go.
How long you thinking?
About 60 seconds again. Yeah.
Always 60.
Plenty of time.